Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Shubhra and today we are making mini backpack for your Barbie. See how cool it is? Isn't it? We can also open it. So I have made two. Now we will make another one. So to make this we require a matchbox, a small circular object, Fevicol, a pen or pencil, ribbon, a pair of scissors, and few color sheets. That's it. Let's get started. To make this, we have to take a small circular object. We can also use a bottle cap, and we have to trace 1/4 of the circular half on both sides of the bigger rectangular from the top, and mark the end points on the smaller rectangular parts on both the sides with a straight line. Now we have to cut the shape with the help of a scissor. After cutting it, this is how it will look. Now take other half of the matchbox and close it properly. Trace the 1/4 circle and the other two sides on it. Open the sealed part of the box from the top and put slits from both the sides. Now cut the 1/4 circular part that we traced from the top. After cutting it, join both the ends and paste it. To cover this matchbox, we will trace the outer part of the box in order to make it look pretty. After tracing it, this is how it must look. Now cut it out. Now we will take the other half of the matchbox and repeat the same process that we did earlier. We will trace it again to cover it. Cut it out. Now paste it. I had already cut a strip in the same color and now we are going to paste it on the sides of the box. Cut the extra part. Now take a ribbon and slit it into 2 equal halves. Now from the curved part, paste the ribbon at the center and at the bottom in the sides. Repeat the same step for the other handle of the bag. Now we have to cover the box with the paper that we had already cut earlier. Now make a loop with the leftover ribbon and paste it from within just the way I am doing. See, this is how it will look. Now here I have taken a small piece of paper and giving it a shape of U to make a front pocket on the backpack. Paste it using glue or DST. Now I am using few colored sheets and cutting a small square out of it, and I will put it inside the pouch. I had already cut a little cute heart to decorate the mini backpack. Ta-da! It's ready! Now my Barbie is ready to go to her college. You must also try this at your home. And if you like my video, do like, share, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe as well and hit the bell button. Till then, bye bye. See ya.